Hello guys, welcome to the fourth session of using Microsoft Board Framework, GUIs and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will setting up environment for creating boards using Microsoft Board Framework. First thing we required is obviously Visual Studio. Throughout this series, I will use Visual Studio 2017 preview. However, you can also use Visual Studio 2015. If you are already .NET developer, then you already have it. Next step is download template for a board framework. For this, you need to open this page. Link is already available in resources or description. After downloading this file, we need to paste it under templates of Visual Studio. For this, open My Computer, Documents, Visual Studio 2017 or 15 that you are using. I'm here using 2017. Within templates, open Project Templates. Under Visual C Sharp, paste this zip file. After this, we need to download Board Framework emulator using which we can debug our board. Link for this is also available in description. Let us open it and just double click on that exe. Our emulator is now installing. Here it is. We will learn in later sessions how to use it. Let us see what we have learned in this session. For setting up environment, we require Visual Studio 2015 or later, Board Framework template and Board Framework emulator. That is it. We are setting up environment for Board Framework. We will create our first board in next session. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.